What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys here how to mint and list NFTs for free, gasless, alright, and list them for free and be able to sell them. So I'll be showing you guys here step-by-step guide on how to do this, showing you guys here in details. Well, here, this website, it's called Mintable. Well, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. You can actually list for free. All you gotta do is create your account. Obviously you want to have a MetaMask, and then you want to click right here, mint an item. And then right here, you want to click create a new item. Okay, click on that. And then this is the important part. It says here traditional or gasless, right? That's the one you want to do. And it's on easy. If you put advanced, it's going to be traditional. It's going to be this one right here. And you're going to have to pay the gas fees and all that. Well, here, this one, the gasless, no transaction needed, won't appear in your wallet until transferred or purchased. You still own its dough. See, so basically that's how it works. It's still going to be in this website. People can find it and buy it. So that's the one that you want to go with, which is on easy. So you click on it. So I'm going to go step by step with you guys here. So you want to put the title. Obviously, I'm just going to do this as an example and just go with you guys here, just to show you guys here how it all works. What kind of item are you making? So it tells you which item are you making. Is it a collectible, a game item, music, domains? So I'm just going to put a collectibles here. Then here's the listing subtitle. Okay, Sir Lewis logo. I'm just putting whatever just to show you guys here how it works. Then this is where you basically pick your NFT, right? It could be an image, video, GIFs. So we're going to click on here. And I just want to note that this part is very important, because if you pick an image that is on the internet already, for example, I'm going to pick this one. I'm pretty sure this is on the internet. It's going to not let you be able to do it. And see, it tells you right here, sorry, this image was found on the internet too many times. There is a risk that you do not own the rights to this image, so you cannot mint it via gasless. So the only way to do that would be mint traditionally. But you can still do it, but it has to be an original artwork, right? That's not viewed on the internet anywhere. So let me pick here an original one here that is not on the internet. So I picked this image right here. This is not on the internet. See, I put it up and it didn't show anything because it's not on the internet. So I can mint it via gasless. You can also attach a private unlockable content if you want to. And then here you could put transfer copyright when purchased. And then here, this is the types of ways to sell it. You could sell it at a fixed price. You can sell it at auction or both auction with buy now. So let's put just a fixed price here. Let's put $80. Obviously, if you want ETH, you press here. And if you want it in US dollars, you just leave it like that. So then all you gotta do after you do all that is click list item. And then right here it says you are about to send one transaction to the blockchain. Just sign a message in your wallet to mint and list this item. So you click proceed. And then right here, it's going to take you to your MetaMask. You're going to click on sign. Remember that this is gasless. You're not going to pay anything for this. And then boom, right there, it says congratulations. It'll show the title of your listing is for sale successfully. Share it around to increase your chances of selling it. So then you just click right here and you can view your item. And then right here, it shows your item right here. It has the description, and this is the store, Mintable Gasless. This is the type of store that it's in. And then right here, it says right here, websites not found, partial matching and visually similar images. And then after somebody buys it, then they will pay the gas fee and you'll still be able to sell it, and it'll go to your MetaMask. You can also boost this NFT. I think this is a way to create a campaign, an ad campaign to get your NFT out there, which is pretty cool too. Another key factor to it is that when people sell this in the future, you get 5%. Because if you were to do it the traditional way, which means that you pay the gas fee, it lets you put the amount of royalties. Let's say you want to get 20% royalties when it sells, in the future. You can do that, but this is the con for doing it this way. So that's just one of the key things to note. If you guys want to, put your NFTs up, maybe you don't want to, pay so much for the gas fees on OpenSea and all that. Maybe this is a good option for you, in my opinion, because when people buy it, it becomes a legit NFT in the blockchain. So that's it. That's how you guys do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The links will be in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.